Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to round corners in DaVinci Resolve. This is a simple yet effective technique that can give your video clips a softer, more polished look, perfect for creating modern video content with smooth, rounded edges. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application and make sure your project is loaded up. Once you're in, look toward the bottom of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Edit. This is where you'll be working with your video clips and applying various effects to enhance your footage. Now that you're in the Edit workspace, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Effects panel. Click on it to open up the Effects library. From there, navigate to Resolve FX, which is DaVinci Resolve's built-in effects collection. In the search bar, type Transform. This effect is what we'll be using to round the corners of your video clip. Once you've located the transform effect, simply drag it onto your video clip in the timeline. You'll see it attached to the clip, which means the effect is now active and ready to be customized. This is the foundation for creating those rounded corners. Next, look to the top right of your screen and click on Inspector. This panel is where all the detailed settings for your clips and effects live. Within the inspector, you'll see different tabs. Click on Effects and make sure to click on Open Effects to expand the options available. This will reveal all the parameters you can adjust for the transform effect you just applied. Now scroll down within the Open Effects settings until you find Image Adjustment. Click on this section to expand it. This is where the magic happens for rounding your corners. Inside the Image Adjustment section, you'll see a parameter called Edge Rounding. This is exactly what we need. You can either use the slider to adjust the amount of rounding or simply input a specific number if you want precise control. As you move the slider or change the value, you'll immediately see the corners of your video clip start to round off. And there you have it. You've successfully rounded the corners of your clip in DaVinci Resolve. This simple adjustment can really elevate the visual style of your videos, giving them a clean, modern aesthetic. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.